Okay, we just did the unboxing and ta-da! Here's the lovely packet of goodies it came with. I'm not gonna go through everything. I mean, it's the standard stuff. They show it on TV. But I will go over this screwdriver here and tell you what that's for. So here's the inside. Ooh, nice and clean. Everything's nice and pretty. Outside, I love these buttons. On, pop up. No more hitting it 2 or 3 times with the digital ones to, try to get it on and off or get whatever it is you're trying to do. So, and here's the dial to go to the 21 presets. That's what I'm mostly excited about because everything on here I probably will use. Anyway, that's it. And it's pretty exciting at this point. Like I said, I'm going to bake a pie later and we'll go from there. All right? See you. Bye.